Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to build a consulting pipeline in HubSpot in 2025 so you can track clients, close deals faster and stay organized. First, head into your HubSpot sales dashboard and create a new pipeline. Customize the deal stages to match consulting flow, like prospecting, discovery calls, proposals sent, negotiations, and close one. This gives you a clear roadmap of where every client stands. Next, add deal properties that matter to your business, such as service type, client size, or expected revenue. These fields take it easy to sort, filter, prioritize your opportunities. From there, set up automations. HubSpot lets you trigger follow-ups, emails, meeting, deal move stages. That way, no client slips through the tracker and your team always knows the next step. Finally, use HubSpot reporting tools. Analyze your pipeline. You will see which stage take the longest, which clients bring the most revenue, and where you can improve it. With a well-structured pipeline, you will turn consulting leads into loyal clients more efficiently. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.